Hey there, outdoor living enthusiasts. Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of both decking options to help you choose the best one for your space. Let's jump right in. Composite decking boards. Composite decking is made from a blend of wood fibers and recycled plastic. This combination gives it a natural wood appearance while also providing added durability and resistance to the elements. Advantages of composite decking. One of the key advantages of composite decking is its low maintenance. Unlike traditional wood decking, composite doesn't require sanding, staining, or sealing. It resists fading, splintering, and mold growth, making it an excellent choice for those who want the look of wood without the hassle of upkeep. PVC decking boards. PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, decking is made entirely from synthetic materials, meaning there's no wood in the mix. This gives PVC decking superior resistance to moisture, mold, and mildew, making it an ideal option for damp or humid environments. Advantages of PVC decking. One of the biggest advantages of PVC decking is its lightweight nature and high durability. It's highly resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, and because it's 100% plastic, it won't absorb water. This makes it perfect for poolside decks or coastal regions where exposure to salt water is a concern. And there you have it, composite versus PVC decking. We hope this comparison has given you a clearer idea of which option is best for your outdoor space. Remember, a great deck is not just about the materials, but also about how it fits your lifestyle and environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more home improvement tips and outdoor living inspiration.